Do you like peanut butter smoothies? With banana in it too. It's really tasty and delicious. And it's pretty good for you. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, what's up? So today I'm doing some healthy banana smoothies that I literally came up with yesterday. I just kind of wing it with what we got. All you're gonna need for this healthy smoothie is some almond milk, preferably unsweetened. Some Greek yogurt. I mean, you should go unsweetened, but I don't like the taste of unsweetened. So I'm going with the vanilla. It's still light and fit, so you're good. One banana. And you can either do peanut butter, or I like to do my Go Lean peanut butter crunch cashew. Then optional, you can add in flaxseed and some chia seeds. So I'm gonna add in both, and that's really it, y'all. Got my cheap blender right now. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is, you can put, I don't know, however much you really want. So I'm gonna put in about that much. I'm gonna take my Greek yogurt. I don't measure anything out because I like to live life on the edge. I do things a little differently. You're gonna plop that in. It's about enough, right? So you got protein in the yogurt. 1 cup, I think, is like 18 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein. All right, so you got your milk, you got that. You're gonna use half a banana because a banana is a very potent fruit. So I'm just gonna put half in it. Okay, you half a banana. I just got banana in my hair. I see it on the corner of my eye. Some peanut butter crunch. Just a good amount. I'll add in some flaxseed. Very good for you, helps your hair get shiny. Just a little bit, you don't want to overdo it. Chia seeds. There's a bunch of benefits to these, but I don't really know what we got here. Oh. I don't like loud noises at all, dude. Oh, no, I don't like that. I don't like it. It's terrifying. It's gotta be the worst sound in the world, I swear to God. Ah, look at that grainy goodness. You got a lot of texture in here. Got a lot going on. Lucky for me, my blender doubles as a cup. So I'm just gonna drink it out of here. If you like texture in your smoothie, this is perfect. If you like less texture, don't put in the chia seeds or the flaxseed or the cashew. Just put in peanut butter. It's almost like a dessert smoothie, but it's healthy. So that's it. That's it. You got yourself a banging peanut butter banana smoothie. That's healthy. If you try it, let me know. If not, that's cool too. But thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.
You did good, kid.
Thanks.
You did good.
Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1.
Hold on.
You're gonna get hair all over the food.